Hello and welcome back to another Autism Takes On episode where we celebrate what people with autism and other disabilities can do. Now today we're going to do a twofer. We're going to do a little bit of gardening stuff and a little bit of movie making. So on the gardening merit badge, what we have here is we need to test 100 garden seeds for germination. On movie making, we have to do a storyboard, which Elias did here. He's actually a pretty good artist. So let's see how close he gets to this storyboard. Now this would be a good time to do our shout out. So let's go ahead and do that and we'll be right back with you.
I'd like to give a shout out to Eli, Uncompromising Business and Personal Relationship Coaching. And actually that's Coach Eli. So if you want to go over and check out Coach Eli's channel, I highly advise that you do. Again, Coach Eli, Uncompromising Business and Personal Relationship Coaching, and does that kind of stuff and more. So go check them out. You might find something you like.
So go ahead and check them out, but after you see this video. So without further ado, let's see what we got.
Hello, I'm your host, Elias Ressler, and today we're going to germinate some, it looks like, black oil sunflower seeds. Here's the materials you'll need. Some seeds, of course, water in a spray bottle, and some paper towels. You're going to roll out some paper towels and spray them with the spray bottle. Now we're going to put the seeds on. Now that we have 100 seeds laid down, let's add some more paper towels. Okay, we've sprayed it again, and now all the energy is in the seed and they'll sprout in 4 to 5 days. Now let's put it in a box so that the cats don't get at it. You need to water them every day. And here's some seeds sprouting. We have a 94% growth rate. And that's how you germinate seeds. Thank you, and as always, have a nice day.